when a lion fights a crocodile. Who will win? This is a split-screen battle between a roaring male lion on dry land and a crocodile with its jaws wide open in a murky swamp. The lion takes a few steps back, then lunges forward, tackling the crocodile. The two animals fight it out, each trying to get the upper hand, but the lion's attacks seem to be more powerful. Is this the end of the crocodile? As the fight continues, the crocodile manages to get a hold of the lion's tail, but the lion is not giving up. With a final surge of strength, the lion takes down the crocodile. Who do you think won this fight? Let me know in the comments below.